Namaste to all of you all and welcome to day 9. So today's practice is going to be very special because it is a practice which will help you release your sore muscles. Okay, so after a long practice or after a heavy practice, the muscles tend to become a little sore and it gives a little bit of pain. So it becomes very difficult, the next day to again come show up on the mat. So this practice is for those days when you don't feel like showing up, but you still don't want the guilt of not showing up. So you show up on the mat and you have a very light and simple practice which will really give you the energy that is required and keep you nice and fresh all day. Okay, so grab your blocks and let's see you on the mat. So we begin in a seated position. You fold the right knee and you place the right sole touching the left thigh. Inhaling, you raise your arms up, pull your spine up nice and straight. Exhale, you bend forward. Don't overdo anything, don't push yourself too much to go down, just relax. Inhale, you lift, and exhale, you twist your body to the right side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Go nice and gentle. Focus on nice deep inhalations and exhalations. Twist. 2, lift, bend, lift and twist. 3, lift, bend, lift and twist. 4, lift, bend, lift and twist. 5 and relax. Now from here you raise your arms up, pull your spine up nice and straight. Exhale, you bend forward. Try to keep a nice elongated spine. Look at your toes and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Exhale, bring both your hands down. Now bring this left leg close to your body, coming into a butterfly position. In this butterfly, you slowly bend yourself a little bit as much as you can comfortably go. Here you can use your blocks, okay? So you grab your blocks and bring your blocks close to your head. Come into this butterfly and you try and rest your head over here. If you feel this is too much, then you can adjust your block according to your capacity, okay? And then just focus on relaxing your body here. Feel that light stretch in your hips. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly you lift yourself up and take your legs into a cross leg position. Come into Sukhasana, okay? If you can come into Ardha Padmasana, come. Otherwise, Sukhasana is fine. Place your hands on your thighs. We are going to rotate the torso. Okay. So inhale, you move the body to the front. Exhale, you take the body behind. Now this is very good for the stomach area. Inhale to the front. Any indigestion, constipation is very good for that. Exhale back. 2. Also, it helps you relax the whole body. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale, move to the front. Exhale, come to the back. 4. Inhale to the front. Exhale to the back. 5. Now let's move it in the opposite direction. Inhale to the front. Exhale to the back. 1. Front. Back. 2. Front. Back. 3. Front. Back. 4. Front. And back. 5. Now place your right hand on the floor. Take the left hand up straight. Inhaling, you bend your body towards the right side. Go wherever you can reach. If you can place your elbow, go down. Give a good stretch to the body. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Place your left hand on the right knee and twist your body to the right side. Look back to your right shoulder. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently come back to the center. Place the left hand on the floor. Raise the right arm up. Inhaling, you bend your body towards the left side. Give a good stretch to the right side of your body. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Take the right hand on the left knee. Take the left hand behind. Twist to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently come back to the center. Now you keep the right leg extended and fold the left knee. Inhaling, you lift the arms up. Pull your spine up. Exhale, you bend forward. Inhale, you lift, and exhale, you twist your body to the left side. 1. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. 2. Lift. Bend. Lift. And twist. 3. Lift. Bend. Lift. Twist. 4. Lift. Bend. Lift. And twist. 5. Now let's hold the pose. Raise your arms up and exhaling you bend forward. Keep your spine up straight, elongated. Look at your toes and breathe here. Don't round the back like this and try to bring the head onto the floor. Instead, elongate. Pull the spine and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Exhale, bring both your hands down. Now bend this right knee and come back to the butterfly. Grab your blocks. Pull the legs as close as you can, keeping a nice straight spine, and you bend forward. Let that hip open. Let the breathing go, flow into your muscles. Nice, long, deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly you lift yourself up and come into a tabletop position. From here we will move the body from cow to child's pose. Okay, so inhaling, you lift your head out, hip out, bring the tummy towards the floor, come into a cow pose, and exhaling you go back to a child's pose. Relax the body here. 1. Inhale cow. Exhale child's pose. 2. Inhale cow. Exhale child's pose. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Stay here in child's pose. Let the body relax. If you can't reach the floor, grab your block and keep your forehead on the block. 1. Relax the body out nicely. 2. This is very good for stress and anxiety. 3. 4 and 5. Relax, come up. Now from here, we'll bring the left knee in between both the hands, coming into a pigeon pose. Pigeon pose mein, you try and keep the back leg absolutely straight. In case you feel you're falling on one side, you can bend this left knee a little bit, but keep your body square towards the left side, okay? Also, another alternative is you can keep a block underneath your hip. to give you a better stretch. Okay. Once you have come into this pigeon pose, you walk your body to the front and bend forward. Again, you can use your blocks. Relax here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will help you stretch the hips out nicely. 5. Release emotions. 6, 7, and 8. Now from here, place your hands, tuck the back toe and lift your body up, coming into a downward facing dog. Give a good stretch to the body here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the right knee in between both your hands. Come into the right side pigeon pose. Adjust your body based on your capacity and then accordingly you go down. Breathe nice, long and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lift. Hands on the mat. Tuck the back toe. Lift the back leg up and go back to the pigeon or downward facing dog. Parvatasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Give stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here you come back onto your mat, flat on your mat. Place your elbows down and come into Saral Bhujangasana. Keep your legs either close to your body or away from your body based on your back flexibility and hold here. Give a good stretch to the upper back and the chest. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here you tuck your toes, bring the knees down and exhaling you go into Uttan Prasthasana. Puppy pose. Give a good stretch. Breathe here. 1. Feel the shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lift yourself up and lie down on your backs. Placing your hands next to your thighs, gently you lift the hip up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, you bring the hip down. 1. Lift. Down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. And down. 5. Now you place the left leg on top of the right thigh like this. And you gently pull the right knee close to your chest. Give a good stretch here. Breathe. You can, if you have sensitive knees, you can interlock underneath your thigh and breathe here. Also, you can rotate your ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hand, bring the right leg on the floor. Release the left leg. Now take the right leg on top of the left thigh. With the help of your hands, you pull the knee close to your chest. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release Bring the legs back. Now bring both your knees towards your chest and hug your knees. Feel that stretch in your entire back spine. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently release. Extend your legs straight in front. Let your toes fall apart, heels be in. Place both your hands next to your thighs with your palms facing upwards. Try to keep your head, your chest, your stomach and your pelvis in one straight line. And try to accommodate your body on the mat. Take nice, deep, long breaths. Close your eyes. This is Shavasana. You can stay here for as long as you want. Let go of all your stress and just focus on your body and breath. Melt into your mat. That's it from me today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.